Hello everyone, I am Rosalind Mukhi. Now I will discuss about value chain analysis. Value chain analysis is a process where a firm identifies its primary and support activities that add value to its final product and then analyze these activities to reduce cost or increase differentiation. And every organization consists of a chain of activities that links together to develop the value of the business. And it identifies where the value is added in the process and links it with the main functional part of the organization. It is known as value chain analysis. Now I will discuss about what is value and what is value chain. Value means is the total amount, that is total revenue, that buyers are willing to pay for a firm's product. But value chain means the activities starting with raw materials till the conversion in the final goods and service is known as value chain. Now I will discuss about basic concept of value chain analysis. Most organizations engage in hundred, even thousands of activities in the process of converting input to output. These activities are classified in two types. First one is primary activities and second one is support activities. Primary activities means the activities that are directly concerned with creating and delivering a product is known as primary activities. In primary activities, there are different activities are consist. First one is inbound logistics. This is how material and resources are gained for supplier before the final product or services can be developed. Next point is operations. Operations are how the material and resources are produced, resulting in a final product or services. Then outbound logistics. Once a product or service is finished, it needs to be distributed. Is under outbound logistics. And next point is marketing and sales. This is how your product or services is presented and sold to your ideal target market. And next point is services. This is the support of a business provide for the customer, which can include support and training for the product and warranties and guarantees also. And support activities means those activities which consist primary activities in accomplishment is known as support activities. In support activities, there are different activities that consist. First one is procurement. In these activities, serves the organization by supplying all the necessary inputs like material, machinery and other consumable items. And next point is technology development. Use of technology is very important in today's technology environment. Technology can be used in many ways, including production to reduce cost, thus add value, research and development to develop new product, etc. And human resource management. The company will have to recruit, train and develop the correct people for the organization to be successful. And next point is infrastructure. Every organization needs to ensure that their finance, legal structure and management structure work efficiently, and it helps the organization drive forward. Let's take an example of value chain analysis of Pizza Hut. In primary activities of Pizza Hut, first one is inbound logistics. Purchasing the raw materials required, which include cheese, non-vegetarian item, fruits and vegetables, bread, spicy, water, milk, etc. is under the inbound logistics. Next point is operation. Preparation of a pizza base using include as per the requirement and expectation, that is the required amount of material need to be added, thickness, softness, size of the pizza base as per the requirement, heating the same for the right time. Outbound logistic. Transporting the pizza base to the Pizza Hut outlet where they are kept and used for customization as per the order. This helps maintaining the uniformity of base, saving time and resource in the preparation of pizza at each outlet. Next point is marketing and sales. It's basically target to the people till the age 55 years, including working people, families with young children, students and travelers. And next point is services. Provide the Pizza Hut to the customer at the restaurant, providing the customer good service by making them feel comfortable and fulfill their need both before and after serving the Pizza Hut to them. Now I will discuss about support activities. In support activities, first point is procurement. Pizza Hut basically deals with how to get the required resources. It has to maintain the quality delivered, the best pizza, keep the customer satisfied, and their strategy to take some ingredient from the local market and get some imported help to them to maintain the quality as well as low price. Next one is technology development. Pizza Hut believes in taking feedback from customer and improving themselves. So all customer that comes to Pizza Hut restaurant and even the one who order online give their value feedback as to what they like and how can they improve to serve better. And next one is human resource management. Pizza Hut focus on hiring of the new employees and provide them to required training so that they can perform as per the expectation set for them on the job. This is all about value chain analysis. Thank you.